Optimach AI, automated rivet and insert placement. In manufacturing, rivet and insert installation, whether mechanical or adhesive, is a common, repetitive, and often manual task. Optimach AI redefines this process with a smart, operator-friendly, and instantly profitable automation solution. Our system uses smart cameras to detect all insertion points, followed by a double scan for enhanced precision. Once confirmed, the glue or mechanical insert is applied automatically. No programming or operator needed. Key benefits: full automation of detection and insertion, no coding required, works with a wide variety of parts, even at low volume, user-friendly interface, no specialist needed, custom-built cells, tested with your parts before delivery, reduced labor costs and consistent product quality, fast, measurable ROI. Optimach AI is a turnkey solution designed to make automation easy, efficient, and profitable from day one. Contact your representative today for a personalized demo.